US Supreme Court building headlines reading judicial ethics in the spotlight and Congress pushes on accountability. The highest court in the land is now at the center of a heated political battle. For the first time in decades, the US Senate is debating legislation that would impose binding ethics rules on Supreme Court justice, a move supporters say is long overdue. Senate chamber footage global banging and lawmakers debating. At the heart of the proposal's bill, mandatory financial disclosures, clear rules for recusal, and a formal code of conduct, something the Supreme Court, unlike federal court, has never been required to follow. Senator Dick Durbin, chair of the Judiciary Committee, said that Americans deserve confidence that justice are above reproach, not above the law. Headlines showing past controversies, Justice Thomas under security, luxury trips, and undisclosed gifts. This push comes in the wake of mounting public concerns over disclosed gifts, conflicts of interest, and questionable relationships involving several sitting justices. Most notably, Justice Clarence Thomas faced backlash from expecting lavish travel and real estate deals from GOP megadonor Harlan Crow without disclosing them. ProPublica and other investigative outlets revealed years of unreported peaks, rising and red flags about potential influence and judicial independence. Public protesters, editors, headlines, the court needs reform. Public trust in the Supreme Court has fallen into lowest point in the modern history. A recent Gallup poll shows only 37% of Americans approve of the court's performance, down nearly 20 points in the last 3 years. Meanwhile, calls for reform are growing louder from lawmakers, ethics scholars, and even retired justices. Key points of the Senate proposals: ethics code, disclosure, mandates, and independence enforcement. The Senate proposal, dubbed the Supreme Court Ethics, Recusal, and Transparency Act, would require justice to publicly report gifts, travel, and outside income, enforce a binding code of conduct similar to other federal justice, establish a process to review recusal decision, especially when justices have personal or financial stakes in a case. Mythics MC Connell and Republican senator speaking at podiums. But the bill faces stiff resistance from Republicans who argue it's a thinly veiled political attack on the conservative majority. Senator Mitch McConnell warned this is nothing but a Persian attempt to intimidate the judiciary. The Constitution gives Congress no authority to dictate how the Supreme Court governs its still. Many GOP senators insist the court can self-police, pointing the Chief Justice John Roberts' release of voluntary ethics guidelines last year. Though critics say those have no real enforcement mechanism. Legal experts, interviews with scholars and commentators. Legal scholars are divided. Some argue Congress does have the power under Article III. Some argue Congress does have the power under Article 3 to regulate the court's structure and procedures. Others warn that forcing the judiciary to follow congressional ethics mandates could threaten separation of powers. But one thing is clear, the debate is no longer just academic, it's playing out Capitol Hill and in the court of public opinion. Calendar countdown of Senate vote, dramatic music builds. A Senate vote is expected in the coming weeks, but while the bill may struggle to pass a filibuster in the evenly divided chamber, Democrats hope to force Republicans to go on record either for or against judicial accountability. US Supreme Court at sunset, text overlay, trust, power, and accountability. As the nation heads into a critical election season, the stakes for American democracy and the integrity of its highest court have never seen higher. Will Congress finally draw a line between impartial justice and personal privilege? Or will the justice remain the only public officials without binding rules of conduct? Supreme Court Ethics Legislation, July 2025, the battle for accountability.